The base angles theorem tells us that if we're given that there's an isosceles triangle, such as triangle ABC, if we know that this triangle has two sides that are congruent, side AB is congruent to side BC, the base angles theorem tells us that the two base angles are also congruent. And conversely, the converse of the base angles theorem tells us that if we're given a triangle that looks like this, triangle DEF, if we know that two of the angles are congruent to one another, then the opposite sides are also congruent. So the base angles theorem tells us if we're given two congruent sides, we know that the two base angles are congruent. The converse of the base angles theorem tells us if the base angles are given to us as congruent, then the sides are also congruent.